Hey language lovers, welcome back to Single Step English. Today we're going to clear up the confusion surrounding the pronunciation of the word specific. It has 3 syllables and the correct pronunciation is specific. Notice that the word stress is on the middle syllable. Try to say it with me. Specific. Come on, one more time. Specific. Specific has the same meaning as particular, detailed, or precise. Here's a sentence example to help you out. She gave me very specific instructions on how to bake the cake. In this sentence, specific means detailed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell below. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.